Stan Gibilisco here. I'm going to explain, I'm going to direct you to a site that explains what a coronal mass ejection is. A coronal mass ejection. We just had one of those in July of 2014 here a few days ago, actually. And it made the news sufficiently to draw attention to the fact that our infrastructure, our electronic and electrical infrastructure, is vulnerable to these sorts of events. Well, you may wonder, what exactly is a coronal mass ejection? Is this just another term that some of these sensationalistic scientists like to use in order to scare the crap out of us? Or is there something to it? Well, I guess there's something to it if you read this particular article about that phenomenon from the NASA Solar Physics website. I will provide a link to this page in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and read all about it. Read the technical stuff about it. The corona, the solar wind, the chromosphere, the photosphere, solar features, all sorts of interesting things here. Why we study the sun, the big questions, the coronal heating process, the nature of solar flares, which are also a consideration. What will actually happen if there is one of these coronal mass ejections that is directed exactly at the Earth, as one did happen in 1859. There will be a lot of electromagnetic pulse activity and wires and various cables and things all around the hemisphere that's facing the sun at the time. If that happens to be us, the internet will go down, the utility grid will very likely get disrupted. Just exactly how much? Kind of hard to say. But I will say this much, and I've said it before. Unless we harden our infrastructure against this kind of thing, one of these days we're going to wish we had. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.